Day 7 adds an endpoint to delete an existing task. The endpoint deletes the task when it exists, returns 404 when it does not exist, and returns 204 no content when deletion succeeds. The API already supports create, read all, read one, and update. The next CRUD step is delete. After today, the basic in-memory task CRUD flow is complete. By the end of today, iTask service should have delete task, task service should implement delete logic, the controller should expose the delete endpoint, and the README should be updated. The files to edit are iTask service, task service, tasks controller, and readme.md. The code gets the endpoint, and the README documents it. First update iTask service. Add task of bool delete task with an ID parameter. True means the task was found and deleted. False means the task was not found. Next implement delete task in task service. Search for the task by ID, return false if it is missing, remove it if it is found, and return true after successful deletion. The controller exposes HTTP delete with ID. It reads the ID from the URL, calls delete task, returns not found when the task is missing, and returns no content when deletion succeeds. Testing requires creating a task first. Delete API task /1 should return 204. Getting the deleted task should return 404. Deleting a missing task should also return 404. The success check is clear. Delete task exists, the delete endpoint exists, the deleted task no longer appears, the project builds, and the code is committed and pushed. After delete works, stop. Do not add SQL Server, do not add fcore, do not add authentication, and do not redesign the architecture.